Ay, hello!
Ayan, Calgary, pakilala lang po kami. I'm Gigi Delana, together with...
Ako po si Opa Jake.
Ako po si Oyus.
Ako po si Sir John.
And we are...
Gigi Vibes!
And this is Rated Gigi, the World Tour! Thank you. You know, sinong mag-aakala na, alam yun, mula sa paggawa namin ng simpleng covers lang sa maliit po naming studio dati, we'll be able to tour around the world. Alam nyo, maraming salamat kasi gawa nyo din, kaya kami nandito. Kaya maraming salamat po. You know, this feeling is really amazing. Hindi po ito magiging posible, itong world tour na to, kung hindi po dahil sa tiwala ng aming mga producers. So, I would like to thank our producers. Let's give them a big round of applause, please. Thank you so much for this opportunity. You know, everyone, this is a highlight in our lives that we will not soon forget. Kaya maraming salamat po. So, the question is, are you guys ready for a night of pure fun and music? Yeah! Are you ready? You know, we were tagged as a YouTube sensation po dahil din sa inyong suporta and walang sawang pakikinig. Thank you for making our covers a part of your lives in your playlist. So tonight, kakantahin namin yung most watched song covers po namin. If you know the song, please sing with us. So, this is for you.